Hello guys, welcome back to another Claus Hot Wheels YouTube channel. Today I am at a car meet at Parkland Mall. I'm sure you got some cars. Wow, super cool. Yeah, it happens every Thursday. Here we got Pontiac GTO next to a Corvette C6. And over here we got this Camaro, which looks very cool, next to two Volkswagen Golf GTI. Very tough. Next to two Hyundai Elantras. And now if we walk like over here, then we can see this Camaro 1LE. Very tough. Next to two Mitsubishi's Lancers, which one looks stock, one is modded. Yeah. Very, very cool. And if we continue walking, then here we can see it's actually not too bad build. It's actually a pretty cool car. Next to this Subaru WRX. Next to Pontiac Firebird. Next to another WRX. Very cool.
What?
My bad.
You don't know how to shut up.
Here we have this Mustang, which looks tuned, next to another Mustang, next to a Camaro. Nice. Very cool. Oh, a BMW wagon. Next to this Camaro 5.0 Coyote engine. Ooh, it's Bumblebee. Ooh, look at that massive intake. Tough. Wait, what car is this? Oh, just... Ooh, 392. Nice, tough. Look at that interior. That's cool. Very cool. Ooh, Mitsubishi Lancer. Does it have a body kit? Yeah, it has a body kit. Very cool. These cars so far, very tough. That's a tough car. Next to another tough car. Pontiac. A Chevy truck. Not bad. What do we have here? Ooh, Datsun 240Z. Next to this Dodge Challenger SRT8. Nice, not bad. Ooh, manual. Pure V8. That's tough. Anyway, here we have two classic Mustangs. One has glow headlights, one doesn't. Chevy pickup truck. Tough. Here back to this SRT8. Got Brembo brakes, SRT badge, Datsun C6 Corvette. Very cool. Ooh, that's another Camaro. Next to another Camaro. Red and blue. Ooh, look, a C6. Tough. Oh, a Mustang. That's very tough. Now here, what do we have here? Oh look, it's a Firebird. Very cool. Yeah. Lots of walking. Camaro. Now we have a lot more walking. A lot. Well, oh, look. It's a green Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. Supercharged 6.2 liter V8. So tough, bro. Brembo brakes. That's tough. Here we have this truck. And an RT Challenger. Look at that hood. Ooh, so cool. Here we have another Mustang next to another Mustang. 2 Mustangs. Is that another Mustang? Now we have to walk more, and we got this cool, tough car. Very tough. And now here we have this Challenger RT. Look at that radiator. Tough. Now we have a Chevy pickup. That's actually very tough. Lots of tough cars. Chevy. There's too much walking in this video. 6, 7. Now we have this. Ooh, it's a Charger. It's an SRT. Oh no, it's actually a Scat Pack. That's cool. Now we have a lot more walking. Ooh, I see a red Camaro. That's cool. Look at that. Wow, a Mustang. Big intake. Lots of tough cars here. Ooh, it's yeah, the 8th gen Charger. I guess it's cool-ish. Now we have this Pontiac GTO. So tough. Yeah, I don't really think that car fits in, like, a smart car next to those 2 cars. Yeah, it doesn't really fit, like, out of all the places it's there. Cool, I guess. Yeah. Ooh, another Mustang. That's cool. That's cool. And here we have this Volkswagen Beetle. Let me show you guys right here. Wow, it's a very cool. And here we also have this Porsche 911 Carrera. Tough. And here we have this white and black liveried Corvette C6, and next to a C5 Corvette, next to a C7 Corvette, like too many Corvettes here. And if we walk all the way over here, we can see the C7. Wow, that's cool. Next to the C8 Z06, next to a C5. Sorry, C6 with the C8, yeah. Now we have another C6, custom headlights. That's so cool. Now we can see the rear of this C7. That's so tough. Now if we walk all the way over here, we can see this. Ooh, it's a Hellcat SRT. That's tough. Lots of walking. My bad, y'all. Now we can see this tough truck. Ooh, a hot rod. Tough. But that brings us to the end of our video. Bye, guys. See ya.